Hello friend, welcome to back. Rahul Warghat and you are watching Smruti says Sri Arun Brahmaji Warghat. Forest, some plant and important without water resources impossible, including all government can more protectionism or forest and natural resources. Some days before 2-3 days maximum and medium to rain in Nagpur district. Some mini plants forests can develop through happiness of green resources of energy. Some forests can arising and fastly grow, some ungrowth, but can do not the ungrowth is age of period continuous growth and growth. The Article 21 protection of life and personal liberty is the fundamental right. Second Article 48A protection and improvement of safeguarding of environment and animal and wildlife husbandry. This is the making of supernatural and given to make for resources of better ways. All person to responsibility and all other authority can taken about to our greenfield areas can develop to distinguish for life to reserve, life to conserve, life to climate. I must stay with us. These or natural resources taken to action. How can life is being full of peace?